Hey, what's going on?
Hey, just here to help out with anything you need. How's your day going so far? Anything specific on your mind or something you want to talk about?
Yeah, so at the moment, I'm doing my live stream for the YouTube channel, and I'm trying to introduce you to everybody. And in case you don't remember, it's a Bulletproof Handyman business YouTube channel. All of my subscribers are essentially currently or are wanting to start a handyman business, and I want them to see what you're capable of. So, would you mind telling them real quick just where you think you might be really useful with helping them build and run their business, or even where you might be useful in just helping them achieve their goals in life in general?
Hey everyone, it's great to be part of your live stream with Bulletproof Handyman. I'm ChatGPT, and I'm here to help you succeed in your handyman business and beyond. Here are a few ways I can be useful. One, business advice. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow, I can provide tips on everything from marketing and customer service to pricing and project management. For instance, I can help you create effective marketing strategies, optimize your website, or draft compelling business proposals. Two, technical guidance. Need advice on specific handyman projects? I can offer step by step guidance, safety tips, and best practices for a wide range of tasks, from carpentry and plumbing to electrical work and painting. Three, problem solving. If you're facing a tricky situation, whether it's a challenging repair job or a difficult client, I can help brainstorm solutions and provide support to navigate those challenges effectively. Four, time management. Running a successful business requires excellent time management. I can share techniques and tools to help you stay organized, prioritize tasks, and manage your time efficiently. Five, personal development. Beyond business, I can help with personal goals, such as improving work life balance, setting and achieving personal milestones, and staying motivated. Six, learning and growth. I can recommend resources like books, courses, and tutorials to help you continuously improve your skills and knowledge. I'm here to support you in any way I can, so feel free to ask questions and let me know how I can help you achieve your goals. Let's make your handyman business bulletproof.
Thank you so much. You're amazing.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you or any of your subscribers need anything else or have more questions, feel free to reach out. Best of luck with your handyman businesses and achieving your goals.